Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers and subscribers. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because it saves lives. That is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives on this channel. We at this channel aid criminals, their financiers, their supporters, enablers, and the likes with a passion, and we do not want them over here. Yes, let us repeat ourselves. We do not want any criminal supporters over here. Please, we do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes, or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you, the criminal supporters, enablers, financiers, and all the likes, to go to prison or madness. Let's repeat myself. We are the Jamaica Young Police channel. We do not want the criminal supporters on their circle over here. We want you to go to prison or madness. Moving on to our video.
You know, as usual, we always selling time we're starting a video to always look at your LCD. Yeah, look at your LCD and you get to understand where you're coming from. So you're looking at the man now, right now you look at the man at the upper left. Yes, that's the man they call Father Cole. Yeah, man. And Father Cole is the man who got the contract to kill KARTEL and his wife.
Because they save life.
One of Spragga Ben's killer, yeah man, kill him in front of Wellington Town's police station to send a message to VYBZ Cartel. The killer is still alive. So let me repeat myself, yeah. So you're looking at the man now, we'll soon tell you his correct name. That's the man who received the contract. The man in the white shirt. VYBZ Cartel admit him at camouflage. That's the man that saved VYBZ Cartel life. And yes, and I can tell you that, you know, to those of you who are talking about all kind of nonsense, that same night when VYBZ Cartel DD up himself out by camouflage, out by Rockford, when you know they had used TP to bring the guns and stuff, and you understand, right out there by camouflage. A member of VYBZ Cartel crew that night, yeah man, told me, because plenty of the people, many of the people them that were VYBZ Cartel, some of them looking back now, they realize that not only that VYBZ Cartel was using them, but VYBZ Cartel is not a genuine person, because most of the people that he have used end up dead. And they are wondering, especially, and they always die under mysterious circumstances like Jomo and others. And they say VYBZ Cartel is the man who always set up, and Himalayas and Roderick and all these people. They say even the guy that named Nero that was killed in Manchester, they say that came from him too. Although Nero was one of Klansman top killer, so I don't know how these people do it. But as we continue the journey, so that's the man that you're looking at right there, the man at the upper left, yeah man, that you see the arrow.
Yes.
And that's the man at VYBZ Cartel, that's your VYBZ Cartel life. That night, yeah man. See VYBZ Cartel, we are giving a two different form. VYBZ Cartel when him did black, and then VYBZ Cartel when him start bleach. Yeah, so the two, the woman and the man that you see, that's KARTEL at the bottom, that's beside Spragga Benz and Shemora Todd, and that's VYBZ Cartel. So that man is the man who got the contract to kill both of them. That man with the turban, that's the Rasta man, Spragga Benz. It's one of Spragga Benz shooter. Spragga Benz have another shooter that we have never even mentioned, a guy named Jet Li. Yes, Jet Li, people were afraid of him. Yeah, I don't know how a black man named Jet Li. Yeah, and Spragga Benz even said that if he had money, if he could have paid to bring back Jet Li to life, we have do anything to bring him back. That's one of our Spragga Benz killer too, you know, Jet Li. So don't look at Spragga Benz and think that he's an ordinary Rasta. He's not one of your ordinary Rasta, as some people would like to say. So that's Father Cole after he was killed. Yeah, the man who he got the contract to kill KARTEL and his wife, and he's one of Spragga Ben's killer. Yeah man, one of Spragga Ben's killers, yeah, or shatters. I him kill him right in front of the police station at Rockford. not Rockford, Rollington Town Police Station, in front of the police station. You understand? But guess what? We soon tell why. You know, hey, I tell you, it's Jamaica, one corrupt place, you know, believe you me, you know, and money run things. So Corey and Shemora Todd, contract killer, Father Cole, yeah man, was killed in front of Rollington Town Police Station. Before we begin today's video, we want to take this opportunity to let our Patreon members know that we incredibly grateful for their support. Yeah man, our Jamaica Young Police Channel squad has members from the following countries: England is #1 country, you know, United States of America, Jamaica, Canada, we are telling by yeah, rank. #1 England and #1. Number 2 United States of America. 3 Jamaica. 4 Canada. 5 Cayman Island. 6 Trinidad and Tobago. 7 Sweden. We don't know if a Jamaican them live at these places, you know. 8 Spain. 9 Germany. 10 Nigeria, that are in Africa. 11 South Africa. 12 Italy. And 30 Russia. We have all Jamaican live in Russia too. Boy, like them live all over the world, Rasta. So your ongoing support is invaluable and help us to continue providing high quality content. And thank you, you know. So the stark reality of Vybz Kartel's influence, a deeper look at Corey Todd's ordeal. Yeah man, so him pay with him life, you know. Yeah man, Father Cole. So them did have all him 9 night and all them thing there when them say, you know, November 27 and at 72 Mountain Avenue. You understand? Mountain Avenue, near the Mountain View Avenue Police Station. Yeah man, and them say Hillview, Hildene Avenue. Yeah man, so boy, me I tell you, so the man them lick him were wicked right in front of the police station. I tell you, man, the man, you understand? So in light of recent events where Corey and Shemora Todd, alleged contract killer Father Cole, was killed in front of Rollington Town Police Station, so we must re-examine the broader implications of Vybz Kartel's actions, especially for those who continue to defend him and his associates implicated in the murder of Clive Lizard Williams. We're not talking about the other man where Brian Legacy allegedly collect the paper bag, yeah, the big patty paper bag. So you know the patty paper bag, oh it look like it have all aisle on both sides and them thing, they near down to the bottom. Because you know, so the patty have to make from, you know, say from the meat, from the beef patty or whatever patty, you know, say aisle from it, I make the bag look so, you understand, patty bag that there, paper bag. And that, so them get for the money, you know. So when people see them think a patty but a money night. So you understand, yeah. So the man not gonna rob no patty and them thing there. No, boy, I hope we not give the robber them no. You know, we not give the robbers no idea no, you know, for rob somebody hire them when them see them with them patty bag. Cause money night, you know, whole heap of money. But hey, I just saw it go on them thing. But look here, if you don't rob no liar, you know, no liar, not go defend in our court, you know. Remember them kill the woman and cut her throat uptown. Yeah, we are going to talk to the policeman where tell the men them and you're going to hear what happened. You understand? Yeah, so moving on. So Vybz Kartel campaign against Isaiah Leng, a figure known for his dedication and patriotic service to Jamaica, was not a mere personal grudge but a calculated attempt to undermine a key figure in law enforcement and the dancehall arena. You know that December 26, from in the 80s, that yeah, you can call it as that a sting there. Isaiah Leng there. No man know in Jamaica no keep no dance a night there. Cause everybody from Jamaica, all over Jamaica, you come a sting. It's like a national holiday. Them should have named that December 26 should be named Sting. Yeah, that idea when time Isaiah Leng have him there and you know what I'm saying? Where him have Sting where all of the artists them and you know were shocked, you know, where stood out to the people, the Jamaican people and people in the diaspora. Because people from have some people in America and all over, you know. Them start seeing from January for go Sting, you know. I tell you, you know, yeah man, I know people do that and them thing there. What? Them every week them save and Sting no miss them. Go stand up for stand up for over 12 hours, you know. Them stand up from night till morning, you know, enjoy this thing. The buckle throwing and all of them something they look forward to. I say, boy, them people are crazy. I go Sting a few times, but a backstage, you know. I must say, yeah. You understand? So, so Vybz Kartel, say me go on a big campaign guns Isaiah Leng, yeah man. So this campaign involved extensive manipulation of public opinion, aimed at distracted from his legal troubles. Such tactics endanger not just individual but the very fabric of our justice system. So moreover, let's consider the chilling testimony regarding Vybz Kartel threat against his former business partner, Todd. Todd, once a close associate of Vybz Kartel, later became a target in a horrifying ordeal that saw him and his wife narrowly escape assassination attempts in Montego Bay and Kingston. But guess what now? After them try to kill them Todd get shot, but it's a policeman that was there, that send the carousing to the departure long. So you have to understand how criminality operate now, man use logistics, because them have them criminal friend now at St. James, and them say, hey boy, put up the boy and them thing and make him come. He might come do some work and this and that man will get a money, whether 50 or 10 grand or 20 grand, just so the man to stay there for the night with the illegal gun. Now, you understand? So, so that's why we tell you, say, informer play an important or integral role, So it don't really matter where you live. You see a man coming in your community, you don't know him, or men, you just call the police and tell them, make them come to the house, and you understand? Who fix get to send to the departure alone, sent there. Because we don't like prison, because prison is a place where man cause more problem, because prison Vybz Kartel stay and create them problem here, we are telling you, You understand? So Todd was once a close associate of Vybz Kartel, later become a target in an horrifying ordeal. So these attempts were not random acts of violence, but were directly linked to Kartel's extensive network of criminal influences. So the wife now is the same man got the it to kill both wife and husband and wife. But after Cole was killed, them still carry out the other part of the it. The man get the contract. Whether or not you want to believe in a criminal talk, If you are part of the criminal, I want to tell you, say, if you have a criminal friend anywhere in the world, especially in a Jamaica or a taxi man, them can't tell you everything about me with a crime. Anyway, I tell you, taxi man are the best informant in a Jamaica. Nobody don't have information like taxi man. That's why they mash up special branch. Because we used to have taxi man out there from special branch to run taxi. You don't know, say a police them. You understand? Them know the street, and them can, you understand, them can prevent and detect crime, and them can able for even you as a detective in your ear, them can supply you with, you not even know say a detective but them know how to relay them message, them information to special branch, and then them relay it back to your division for you do the necessary. Because the same taxi man all them thing there, taxi men them when them a pass on information, them will tell I wish police know the boy them and what them look like and all of them thing there. Right now, you're not a detective in a Jamaica and them again there. Because for murder scene, you see for murder scene at Matthews Lane where them lick down a boy named Bloods. Yeah, we start the war out of Dunkirk. A uniform police on the scene, I say, what? So detective them in the AC, I said Jamaica go now. Yeah man, we're not the police was. I mash up. Yeah, so as a year Kartel was berating Todd, and then you hear Todd now. Yeah, it's on the channel. Todd went on stage and I said, boy, Vybz Kartel can't kill him, man, because him are the godfather for Vybz Kartel daughter. Yeah, you understand, and all kind of thing. But little did him know, say Vybz Kartel no care nothing about that. And then Vybz Kartel kiss up to him and say, hey, we are friends again. See him like him the roach. Yeah, so him now, hey, look here, if you're not friend with Vybz Kartel, anyone, and you and the friendship, you have some problem where one of the pathways, and you if you know so if you stay far from him, because once him start friending up, that's how him go for the kill. So him friend up back Todd, so him know Todd movements, and him and Todd attack from prison. Them time they plan him a plan for kill you, Seem like him the roach. So that's the Vybz Kartel modus operandi, You don't have problem, you no deal with him, him no deal with you, then him find some, Him now play as a good guy. I'm so sorry, and I'm a G, I'm a friend, and G no star this go so on with live good and rare. You know with your little dumb yourself now a bite. Just like Roach. That's how Roach do same life too. Corey tell him go buy it now. Say Vybz Kartel. Say alright, let bygones be bygones. Not knowing say them time now I go Vybz Kartel, I go for kill. Just like how Vybz Kartel, even to this day, although them kill the 3 men, them were supposed to kill Isaiah Ling. Vybz Kartel and Popcorn, then they not stop. Them still a plan same here. Just like how him talk when him talk, say them want to kill him. I see him think that they're planning same here. Them not stop plan. So them want to kill him. You understand? But it's just that it not materialize and them not identify anyone as yet. But we still on top of you, the cartel. Yeah, because we have people there on you. We have a certain amount of respect for you because them know the kind of person we are. Not only as a detective, as a former detective, but as a person overall. Them know our character, our integrity, and our reputation. So we not stoop to certain things that a guy can't buy away. As you have heard, look, you hear a man. Because we know, so you listen to your channel. You heard a man, little bigger, a drug dealer from England. When I try to bribe, I give you £10,000 to take down the video with the killing a rifle. That him best friend Cool Breeze allegedly involved in the killing of rifle and one of British. Best friend, £10,000. I would say, no, when I sell the video, £10,000. And then some people call me and I say, oh, you're an idiot and them thing there. Rifle, I want the British not dead long time. Well, you know what? You know, sell the man in the video and take the £10,000. The man say, man, send you money. I want him send you money and get the money and them thing there. You understand? Once everything go through with the bank, you just take down the video or you pause the video until then. And just give them a video and nobody now have it. We say, no. You understand? People cuss me and say, boy, we are idiot and them thing. You understand? If we not another business we are run. And we say, no, we're not do that. And we tell you about other little things too, even when we are police. We get the chance to even make a easy, 80,000 US just to do an escort and them thing there. We don't know, we know some more or less most drugs. And we say, no, we don't want it. Yeah, from one police where carry to the meeting, I want to tell you, say, most police would have surprised say that policeman was the one that carried me to that meeting. You understand? And I say, no. You understand? Coming in night. Me have my reputation to live up to. We can't go make my parents and people where know me and them thing and say, wait, how Chris go do that and them thing there? No. And no only that too. That only say forget 80 grand and them thing there. Who to tell whether it was the evil DEA too? You understand? So you have to look on other little things. So that's how some people end up in a problem, Them don't think through things. But you say if you're not corrupt, nobody can corrupt you and them thing there. So I just saw it go. So Cartel know that. So, yeah, so Vybz Kartel killer, country blocks. Yeah, man. So after, so you see after Cole now, Cole get liquid and them thing there. Him find country blocks, him find a woman now and decides, I call it a day and done with it. Him think a piece and safety. Sprague Benz, one of Sprague Benz killer. Go down a man, two of them go to Westmoreland. Yeah, man, Westmoreland. And that's why the clansman them afraid of him and lick him away. Yeah, man, send him straight to the departure lounge. Sprague Benz that again. Send fee man them from town. Him no use. It's like how cartel them use like a Shabdan and for left from Montego Bay come out. No, well, I saw it go on them thing. They like how them liquid the youth and them thing. But the man are dangerous. So we are continuing now. So the narrative goes beyond mere allegations. It speaks volumes about the dangerous undercurrents that flow beneath the surface of Vybz Kartel public persona. His actions have had real life-threatening consequences for those who dare to distance themselves from his influence or challenge his authority. So the recent incident at the Rollington Town police station, although at 2015, that where supposedly contract killer linked to Todd's case was fatally shot by one of Sprague Benz killer. Yeah, man, one of Sprague Benz killer killed him right in front of the police station. Where I tell you that. We soon tell you who do it too. So the recent incident, and them shoot him right in front of the police station. And starkly underscore the volatile and hazardous nature of affiliation with figures like Vybz Kartel. It serves as a grim reminder of the length of such network will go to protect their interests or exact revenge. As Jamaicans, it is crucial to look beyond the sensational headlines and understand the deep-seated issues that such events signify. We must question the kind of influence figures like VYBZ Kartel wield and its impact on our society. The glamorized image often portrayed can obscure the grim realities of manipulation, intimidation, and violence. So let us not gloss over the courage of those like KARTEL who survive and speak out despite immense pressure and danger. Their bravery highlights the necessity of standing firm against corruption and criminality in our communities. It's time for reflection and action. As our community, we need to advocate for a system that does not glorify the corrupt and violence, but instead uphold values of justice and integrity. Only by separating ourselves from the negative influences of hate, envy, and greed, we can hope to foster a safe and just society for all. This case is not just about VYBZ Kartel or KARTEL. It's about the kind of Jamaica we want to live in. Let's choose to support a future defined by respect, lawfulness, and peace. So I want you to rethink, all of you, to rethink. Who are VYBZ Kartel supporters, yeah man, rethink supporting for VYBZ Kartel. The truth behind this campaign against Isaiah Leng when it started, and someone has said, boy, Leng a thief. We see when I comment in our Leng for pay the youth, and we don't believe VYBZ Kartel, so Leng they do him 500,000. I'm a liar. We don't know no honest liar. I just saw it go on them thing there. You understand? So when they go on cliff views and all of them thing there, you understand? So those of you who continue to support VYBZ Kartel and his associates convicted of the tragic case of Clive Lizard Williams, while casting blame on Isaiah Leng for cartel legal challenges, it is time to reassess your stance critically. So some of you are talking about, say, boy, actually a police, a Leng make cartel go to prison. After Leng never sell cartel go kill Clive Lizard Williams. I want to get all them madness there from. I say, boy, a Leng set up the youth. Leng never tell cartel to go kill nobody. So I don't know what you people talking about. Say a Leng, say a fight cartel, a ninja man, and a him send them to prison. Leng never tell the two of them to go kill nobody. So I don't know where to get them thing there from. But I just love the conspiracy theories and all kind of madness. VYBZ Kartel orchestrated MENA campaign against Isaiah Leng, a committed patriot again and dedication law enforcement officer. Because him, VYBZ Kartel, him believes the boy, him a God and people are afraid of him. You understand? That's his reason for behaving like that, you know. VYBZ Kartel don't believe in a rule of law. That's that kind of man, you understand? So let's prioritize truth and justice over loyalty to personalities. Supporting figures who undermine public safety and exploit their platforms of personal gain does a disservice to our community and the principle of justice and decency that holds our society together. Let's stand with those who genuinely work to make our communities safer and more just, not just for those who seek to dismantle these efforts for their selfish end. So we know that's how VYBZ Kartel do all of them years here. You understand? So to the millions who tune into stories of celebrities and controversy, it is crucial to peel back the layers of glamour often associated with the figures like VYBZ Kartel. Yeah man, because people love them thing there, you know. Yeah, all of them thing them feel nice about it and them support it. Because them love VYBZ Kartel, you know, so him can't do anything wrong. You understand? So KARTEL, once an insider with VYBZ Kartel, became a target mark for violence. So the glamour often associated with figures like VYBZ Kartel and the face of harsh truth hidden beneath, a glaring example of dangerous consequences that can stem from unchecked influence, is a harrowing experiences of KARTEL and his wife, two individuals who narrowly escaped fatal encounters with VYBZ Kartel associates in Montego Bay and Kingston. So whether or not you want to believe it, although them kill the contract killer less than a year after them try to kill KARTEL, them still years after that, because man get pay, man get pay, and KARTEL I remind them say, hey, Wham, me pay my money and them think they want to kill them, you understand? And go and on a try off a Todd, alright, him get shot, him not dead, but you understand? Wham to the other part of the money, or wham to the woman, because $2 million in pay, you understand? And him know who get the money for Father Cole, and Father Cole get killed, yeah man. We soon tell you who kill him in front of a police station, you understand? So KARTEL, once an insider with VYBZ Kartel, became a target, marked for violence. This wasn't a mere fallout between two collaborators, but a sinister reflection of the depths of criminals' behavior that KARTEL was willing to orchestrate against those no longer aligned with his interest. The attempt on Todd's life and that of his wife is not just a personal tragedy, but a chilling indictment of criminal networks that can infiltrate the highest level of Jamaican pop culture. So the incident revealed more than just a personal vendetta. It illuminates the broader implications of idolizing figures who wield their influence through intimidation and violence. It's a stark contrast to the glamorous facade that often marks the true nature of some public figures. As a community, we must look beyond the surface and recognize the real-life consequences of such affiliation. The allure of celebrity should not close our eyes to the corrosing, and corrobunculous consequences and effect of criminal behavior that threaten the very fabric of our society. These corrosions, man, they are very corrosive, and they are all corrobunculous. We also must commend the incredible bravery of those like Todd. Him survive, all him wife. So as Jamaican, both home and abroad, we can commend these people for standing up. And we can demand better. Not only from our celebrities, but from our community leaders and ourselves. We must foster an environment where criminal activities are never normalized nor accepted, no matter the statute of the individual involved. So let this be a call to action for those who is responsible for perpetrating the violence, accountable, to support the survivors of such scheme, and to tirelessly work towards a community where integrity, safety are upheld over notoriety and fear. Only by doing so, we can prevent such dark chapters from occurring in our history. Remember, the change starts with us. It starts with not disregarding the atrocities committed under the guise of fame. It begins with solidarity with victims and advocating for a society that values justice and peace over chaos and crime. So let's commit by being informed, vigilant, proactive, and safeguarding our communities' future. So in reflecting upon VYBZ Kartel's chilling actions, it's crucial for us as a community to recognize the gravity of his deeds and remarkable courage of those who survive his dangerous machinations. Such reflections are an exercise in awareness and a call to action. It is essential to understand that VYBZ Kartel's decision to orchestrate violence against his former associate like KARTEL and his wife are emblematic of a deeper societal malaise driven by greed, a toxic mix of hate, envy, jealousy, and disrespect. So on the fateful night, Thursday, December 14, 2014, that are 14 days, that are 2 weeks before Christmas, Yeah, man, at about 5:01 a.m., the severity of the issue was starkly highlighted. KARTEL, a nightclub owner and operator, was shot while managing his establishment, Taboo, in Montego Bay, St. James. The attack was not random. It was a calculated assassination attempt. The gunman, identified as 29-year-old Corey Grant from Kingston, 2, was killed by a licensed firearm holder accompanying Todd. So it was a policeman that used him license gun and killed the boy. Police investigation have since revealed that this was not an isolated incident, but an hit allegedly financed by VYBZ Cartel with a whopping $1 million price tag on each of the Todds. So a $2 million VYBZ Cartel pay, orchestrated by figures in the criminal underworld like Father Cole from East Kingston. So it was country blacks that escaped, you know. Yeah, man. Him later lose him fame life down by Westmoreland. Yeah, man. Spragga Benz killer take him out down there. We soon tell you who responsible for taking out Father Cole and him. So the incident is a stark reminder of the life-threatening danger posed by unchecked greed and the criminal elements within our entertainment circles. When influential figures like VYBZ Cartel allegedly use their status to perpetrate violence, it sends shockwaves through our communities, challenging our norms and testing our resolve to uphold justice. We must stand united in condemning these actions and work tirelessly to eradicate the underlying attitudes that fuel such destructive behavior. By distracting ourselves from greed, grudges, impatience, and disrespect, we can redefine our community values and ensure that our society celebrates integrity and justice over malice and envy. It is time for us to collectively reflect on the impact of these actions and take a firm stand against the normalization of such violence. We must support law enforcement in their efforts to bring those responsible to justice, provide support to the survivors of such heinous acts, and ensure that our community does not become a breeding ground for similar atrocities. So let's draw strength from the resilience of those like Todd, who bravely face unimaginable threats. Their survivals and willingness to speak out are vital in our ongoing battle against crime and corruption. By coming together to reject the glamorization of criminal behavior and advocated for a culture of peace and respect, we can pave a way for a safer, more just society. Yes, and I know the people them of course, oh, you don't tell me the name of who kill Father Cole and who kill country blacks at Westmoreland. You soon hear that. You say impatient. But when you say enough goldfishes, you know, we tell you that already. Goldfish are 5 seconds, we know that. So you just relax and just listen. So this is our moment to shift the narrative from fear to hope, from despair to action. We have the power to dismantle the networks of greed that threaten our way of life, and to build a future where every member of our society can thrive without the shadow of threat looming over them. Let's embrace this challenge with courage and conviction, ensuring that our actions today will forge a safer tomorrow for everyone in our community. So, in a chilling incident that caught the attention of the Rallington town community, detectives, yeah man, they were investigating the shooting that occurred on July 24th, 2015. That are less than 7 months, yeah man, after 7 months after them shot Todd in a Montego Bay. Yeah man, 7 months after. So this was July 24th, 2015. So the victim, identified as 40-year-old Kevin Walker, also known as Father Cole, was reportedly involved in a violent altercation that led to his death. The incident unfolded on Carnarvon Street around 8:30 p.m. drawing immediate attention from residents due to the sound of gunfire. Right in front of the police station, the man them lick him over. And the man them will soon tell you who. According to reports, Walker was standing in front of a local shop when an assailant, allegedly one of Spragga Benz's top gunmen, Shatter, known as T-Pain, approached him and opened fire. In front of a police station, you know. I tell you, the man is dangerous. So despite attempting to escape, Father Cole was struck and collapsed a short distance from the scene. T-Pain went over him and fired 4 more shots into his body. And then just gingerly walked off. He might not even run. So Cole was quickly transported to the Kingston Public Hospital by citizens, where he tragically succumbed to his injuries while receiving treatment. The subsequent investigation into this killing has been fraught with tension and fear. TPN, identified by eyewitnesses as the shooter, was later apprehended by the Elliston Road Police. He underwent questioning and participated in an identification parade where none of the witnesses pointed it out, likely due to fear of reprisal. This had led to TPN release, and he is now a free man walking the streets, leaving the community on edge and a case shrouded in uncertainty. But here now, you see out there now, you have a brother now named Danai Williams. Danai Williams is king. Them say my king for East between him and the Burks them, yeah. Because the Burks them now them aligned to Tony Brown and Jard Flash. And them I said Danai Williams a businessman. Him not a bad man, but him control out there because I'm still alive. So anything we happen out there, so him a figure it okay. So you just like how you see Pepsi dead, Danai Williams give that the shot. Once him give the green light, say them can't send you home, you're gone. Same thing with Rooster. Nobody, you can't kill nobody out of East Kingston without his approval. So any big man where dead out there, so yeah, I forget the approval from him. So him know about every killing out there. Every killing. But I tell you, I would ask you. Any killing not going out there, so Pepsi, Rooster, all of them man there. Him have to know. But you can't just go cause theme out there, so Danai Williams a king for East. You understand? And we soon tell about the boy we kill Chubby Dread from Southside. And when you hear about Chubby Dread, that you soon hear who kill him, and you understand. So this incident only identify and highlight the grave dangers posed by contract killings and gun-related violence in Jamaica, but underscore the challenges law enforcement face in protecting witnesses and securing convictions. The fear that pervades communities caught in the court fire of gang rivalry impedes justice and allows cycle of violence to continue unabated. So when I get to one of them thing, I just say man kill man, man kill Batman, and you understand, everything them squits. Who got prison I want on money and I want on a connection. I just say it go. Because if you have money and them thing there, man pay off witness or threaten or because the witness family no want to move. So you understand, I say it go on them thing there. But people know say boy you did see what happened. And eventually they will just kill you because of that. So I just saw it go on them thing there. Because I saw it go in a ghetto, you have to understand how ghetto run and how it operates. You understand? So as the investigation continues, it becomes increasingly imperative for the authorities to implement more robust measures to protect witnesses and reassure the public of their safety. Enhancing community policing, establish more robust witness protection program, and fostering a greater sense of security are crucial steps toward restoring trust between the community and the police. So here and now, as much as VYBZ Cartel and KARTEL was friend now, KARTEL and Spragabens have an understanding. When we say understanding, mutual respect and them thing there. So I saw now the other boy now where they go now, Country Blacks. Country Blacks now, him did find a woman now Westmoreland, and the same man that killed Father Cole, him like a Country Blacks. TPN. Dangerous, him not play. Him not play. Them say when him kill him, smile with you before him kill you. So I just that happen. So him liquid at the man there and them thing then. So the death of Kevin Walker, alias Father Cole, is a grim reminder of the ongoing battle orchestrated and organized crime in Jamaica. It serves as a call to action for both law enforcement and community to collaborate more effectively to tackle the root cause of violence and ensure that justice is served, not just in this case, but in all instances where lives are tragically cut short by criminal activities. Hey, look here, man. Hey, it's when a man live in Jamaica and you're involved in a crime, you know, take nothing for you to lose your life. You know, I don't know how a man do it. I talk all the while. Because if you're a criminal in Jamaica, you don't know who are going to betray you. And when you understand. But hey, the man them still love it, sir. Them still love the crime. And them not leave it. And I end of the day, two things happen. You go dead or in a departure alone. Can't tell you dead in a straight to say you're going right eye departure alone. Prison not even now work again, because prison are like vacation now for criminal in Jamaica. So a man not even afraid of prison no more. Because a man go to prison, he man take all video, like him the all. Hey, may I tell you say, man I take video, like them the like them the runway, like them a model, and in them new clothes and all them things. Man forgot prison and work. And that we say on them thing there. VYBZ Cartel and Ninja man, them forgot prison and work till them dead. Hey man, hey look here man, me see man from inner south here. You understand, we got a prisoner, man say, oh, I heard thing what happened to him, because him there prison, him not have no free time on them thing there. Because the man, the correction officers them call them CEO. Them make them work like, hey, me I tell you man say when him go home for go bathe and him can't just bathe in cave and eat. The way him tired. And what, you think say you can't boss you in our work? Them isolate you and put in a place and make you mad. You understand, so now we know who, so now you know who are the man who get the contract for kill KARTEL. KARTEL know that, you understand. We not going to talk about how him deal with it and them thing. I feel him something that, you understand, because KARTEL was him was a part of VYBZ Cartel. He never tried to arm VYBZ Cartel. A VYBZ Cartel tried to kill him. So that we tell you, sometimes some people, desperate time calls to desperate measures. And that happened with KARTEL. The man them try to kill him, and him even after him like father call him, they think say everything nice because him left Jamaica. Then them try to kill him wife because show your VYBZ Cartel heartless. Because so cool now after them liquid cool, him see say boy everything good. So him not travel with no, him wife not travel with no security, and that's how she get shut up. And guess what? All when the woman all like about for dead, the same people them in Jamaica. Rob our money. I saw them stay. Dog them on the boulevard where I tell you. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel. Out.